In this video, I want to tell you how to easily create a LinkedIn account. Log into the LinkedIn application. You can use your Gmail account or Facebook account to create a LinkedIn account. I will create a LinkedIn account using a Gmail account. Because I have already logged into my Gmail account on my phone. If you don't have one yet, click at another account and log into a Gmail account. Here you can enter your own password. Select your country here. Then enter your phone number and click Submit. A 6-character code message will be sent to the phone number you entered. Enter the 6 codes here. If you are not a student, select most recent job title. Choose your work or something convenient. It doesn't matter. I will choose the convenient one. Click on Next. Click on Yes. Click on Skip for now. Okay, now you have finished creating a LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching this video. I also request you to like and subscribe to the AdNet channel.